Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. By the end of this short video tutorial, you will be able to understand how to use now function to insert current date and time, which can be used in other calculations, and how to combine now function with other time-related functions. Please note that results coming from this formula will be updated automatically whenever a worksheet is changed or opened and any cell is modified. So, let's get started. You can further format the value returned by now function as a date, or date with time. Let's take a scenario where you can use now function with another function. In this case, we will try to find out future time by adding hour, minute, and seconds in current time. You can also use calculate options to get the updated value as well. Calculate now. Use this option if your functions are on multiple sheets and you want to recalculate all the values at once. Calculate sheet. Use this option if you want to recalculate only current worksheet. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.